Hello my beauty friends, today I'm gonna show you and share with you my secret weapon. Believe me or not, you must watch this video, look at me after and watch before, okay? I know I don't look good at all, very tired and exhausted, but I do have some items here will help me with this. You know, it's a bigger Nordstrom anniversary sale, it's here. Okay, I'm gonna start first with one of my new discovery, and it's Cristian Dior Serum. It's a beautiful, good hydration serum, and what it does, it gives me this beautiful, first of all, hydration, and then it's a hydrating and firming serum. Why do you need to use serum? Because serum come to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer. Moisturizer work only top of your skin, and serum come to your skin much more deeper. Okay, you always use your serum morning and night first. Now I'm gonna use moisturizer, and this is Cristian Dior moisturizer, Diorsnow, and it's for pigmentation. Also will help you with pores, and it's a light texture, it's not too heavy, and I really like these little details. When you buy an all Cristian Dior moisturizer eye cream, it sits like this, you know, nobody touched. You are first who's opening. Okay, now I'm gonna use moisturizer from Cristian Dior, very little. Again, I love this moisturizer because it's very light, and because I have pigmentation and discoloration. This video can be a little bit longer because usually you see how I do my eyes, but today I do my face and I do my eyes together. Okay, let's do another step. This is shake, one of my favorite, and it's not new, but it's new discover for me. It's your primer and sunscreen together, and you have 20 SPF here. What I do like, it's really feels light, not heavy, few drops, only few drops, and also I will not say it feels like silicone, or don't know if you have silicone or not, but it's very feels smooth on my skin. Will I buy this product? Yes. This is my new discover, which one I will buy, and I'm pretty sure it's not too expensive, specifically this item, but I love this. You know, when you work in beauty industry, so many products, but it's hard to try everything or remember all products, but I using this already for 1 week and enjoying. Okay, now I have another one of my favorite products. This is Cristian Dior eye cream. It's a little bit pricey, but I love it's for lines, for puffiness, for wrinkles, but most important, I really don't, it's just me, I don't care about lines and wrinkles. Do I have? Yes, I do. I like how I feel product, and this product, and it's named Dior Prestige Eye Cream. It feels amazing on my eye. Okay, I'm gonna use it with my finger, and again, very light, but give me a nice, beautiful hydration without heaviness. And like, because I usually like, I will say, very rich texture eye cream. It's a light texture, but I am enjoying this eye cream, and it's really surprised me. This light texture I will love. Oh, now it's one of my favorite eye cream. Again, it's very light and good hydration for lines, for wrinkles, for puffiness. Love Cristian Dior. Okay, my skincare, it's already done. Now we're gonna start with eyes. I always do eyes first, and then I will do concealer, then I will do powder. Okay, let's do with eyes first. Okay, today we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Cristian Dior, and it's matte color, and we have here like orange, brown, brick color, really pretty. Before we apply this eyeshadow, I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer today. Actually, it's will be LANCôME, and it's Aquatique number 03 nude, and I apply it on entire my eyelid. Okay, I apply with brush, but now I will use my little bit finger to melt this product. And just look at on my eye and another. It makes huge difference. Okay, let's do another eye. Now I'm gonna again use little bit finger to melt this product. I'm gonna use loose powder, big powder brush, and I'm gonna use loose powder from Cristian Dior to set my eyeshadow primer. Just very little. And today I'm using again Cristian Dior nude loose powder number 010 ivory. Again, I set my primer. Hey, now let's start. I'm gonna use this beautiful orange color first with big blending brush. I'm gonna start from here. And you can see how I apply a little bit all the way to here. I'll do one eye first and then I will do second one. Okay, I have orange color on both of my eyelids. And you can see I went all the way here to here. Right now I'm gonna use this beautiful brown color, like it's a brick brown, and I'm gonna use under my eye. And we're gonna go up to give me this eye lift. And you apply, try to go up to make illusion of lift your eye. Now I'm gonna use this darker color. I'm using same my blending brush. This darker color I'm gonna use close to my eyelashes, and we'll go again up. Go a little bit to the bottom. Now I'm gonna use big blending brush to blend everything, all colors. Just blend. Blending it's very important. Now I'm gonna do another eye. Gonna use light color and apply close to my eyebrows. Again, this is its matte color to give you more even lift. This will be probably my favorite Christian Dior eyeshadow palette, and it's number 627. Same lighter color I will apply right here. Now I think I want to do something different to this than usually what I do. I'm gonna use MAC highlighter, and I'm gonna use primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use small tiny brush like this from Trish McAvoy Petite Blender, and I'm gonna apply little bit this primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's okay if you have primer a little bit right there. And now I'm gonna use this beautiful highlighter from MAC, and I'm gonna use this lighter color. This is must-have highlighter. This is the best highlighter ever. And it's nothing wrong to use highlighter for your eye. Now I'm gonna use a small tiny brush. I am applying right now my highlighter. And I'm gonna use little bit under my eyebrows. Again, let's blend a little bit. And now I'm gonna use my favorite liquid eyeliner, and it's Clinique Black. I love this beautiful brush, and it will be easiest application. Just press, turn, press again. I love brush and this liquid eyeliner. Eyeliner will give you nice beautiful pop. Now let's do another eye. Voila! Easy, right? Now I'm gonna use primer for my eyelashes and Cristian Dior mascara. I'm using today Cristian Dior Show Blackout mascara. Look at my eyelashes here and here, big difference, right? My eyes, it's done, and to complete this look, of course, we need to use foundation, powder, and a little bit more steps. Okay, I'm gonna use today Cristian Dior foundation Airflash. It's my favorite foundation. It will be my #1 favorite foundation. It's very light and give me nice, beautiful coverage. Also, what I like about this foundation, it stays all day long. I do use this foundation most time when I have a special event. If I go somewhere, I don't use it every day. Why? For one reason, because if I will use this foundation every day, this foundation go very fast. Like I will need to buy every single month same foundation. Okay, but it feels very light on my skin, and it's great coverage. Look at this side and this, big difference. Again, you shake, you spray your brush. It's my blush brush, but you can use any brush, which one you have. I do not like to spray on my face. Even I do see people doing this, but then it's like your foundation, your eyebrow, and your hair, like everywhere. Okay, And again, it's a foldable foundation. If you want little, you just need to apply a little on your brush. I need coverage, this is why I apply a little bit more. Okay, foundation, it's already here. I'm gonna set my foundation with loose powder from Cristian Dior, and it's color 010 Nude Air. Will minimize my pores. Actually, I forgot to put a little bit concealer. Let's put my concealer. I'm gonna use Chanel concealer. And now I will use my loose powder. Right now I'm gonna use this beautiful highlighter from MAC, and I'm gonna use this number 2 color. Now, don't forget about your bronze. I'm gonna use bronze from LANCôME, and it's color Solaire, close to my hairline. From my ear to my lips. But do not go all over here, just kind of halfway. And of course, let's do right here to give us the slim effect. Don't forget about your neck. Little bit, I'm gonna go, where is my nose area? Let's do this beautiful, beautiful pink blush from Cristian Dior. It's like rosy pink. This is most beautiful pink blush, I know. And what I like about this blush will adjust to your skin, like which one like best color for you, pink. If you're looking for pink blush, this is your blush. Look how pretty and fresh I'm looking, right? Don't forget eyebrows and your lips. I'm gonna use eyebrow pencil from Cristian Dior, and it's a number 004. Eyebrows make a huge difference. Look at one my eye and another one. Okay, let's do it another one. To finish this look again, last few steps, I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy mascara on the bottom of my lashes, and I am gonna use lip liner from Cristian Dior 882 and this beautiful lip color from Cristian Dior. I don't see what color, but I will let you know. I finished my look using Cristian Dior lip color 456. My lips beautiful. I look so refreshed, young and gorgeous and pretty. Look at me before and after, right? Huge difference. Yes, we all have today so many steps, but this is what you need to do if you want to look young and pretty. Okay, love you all. Please subscribe this video. Love you, and I will see you in my next video.